Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Esha and this is Soha. Today we are at the farm. Sorry, this is not a real horse. It's just something wooden. Oh look at the cows. So many. These cows are black and white and they have tags on them and they eat hay. Wow, that's so cool. And look in their bucket, the water bucket. And look, they're so cute together. What is that? Look at that cow, how cute. I want to touch it. No, I'm scared. Guys, come here. Look at this. Oh, this one looks like it looks like it wants to be bought. So does that one. What does cow sounds make? Moo, correct. This is hay that cows eat. Wow, look at this. They come in bundles. Look at this one. It's sleeping. Wait, I'll just drop it there. Oh, my legs are hurting. Look at this. Oh, it's a pony! Look at the pony! Okay, so guys, look at these fluffy sheep, and I don't think I wanna touch them or feed them because I'm very scared. So it's in there. So it's calling you to feed it. Look, Billy go. Look, Billy go. Oh my God. That was scary. Guys, I'm surrounded. Ow, I'm surrounded. These are little small goats. Oh, they're looking for treats. They want some treats. Guys, look, there's a billy goat with a hairy chin. Baba black sheep. to this farm before with my dad when I was little and my best friends, and it was so much fun. How many cows are there? Oh, how many? Like there are 2,000. Look at that. No! Look at that giant horse. Look at that gigantic one. Oh my god, and look at them cute goats. No, don't go. Guys, hurry up. Oh, bismillah. Oh, hens. Oh, I really want to feed them. Guys, look at the donkeys. I want to ride one because it's very fun. We have a strawberry milkshake and it's delicious. Want to taste? Is it good? Tastes like marshmallows. Wow. Fresh strawberries, fresh milkshake from the farm.
Junior by Deco. Like, share and subscribe us. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification.